In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to WordPress and Elementor 5 minutes. We'll start by grabbing your embed code from Calendly, head to calendly.com, and log into your account. Enter your email, continue, and then your password to access your dashboard. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, choose the event type you want people to book. Click Share, then select Add to Website. For a seamless, full-page calendar, choose the inline embed option. This places the scheduler directly on your page rather than opening a pop-up. Click Continue, and you'll see a snippet of HTML and JavaScript. Click Copy Code to copy it to your clipboard. That's the only code you'll need. Now move over to your WordPress site. From your dashboard, go to Pages and create a new page. Give it a clear title like Book a Call or Schedule with Me so visitors instantly know what to do. In the editor, click the plus icon, choose Browse All, and add a custom HTML block. Paste the Calendly embed code into that block. If you want to check everything before it goes live, use the preview button. You should see your Calendly calendar appear right inside the page preview. If it shows up and looks good, click Publish to make it live on your site. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If the embed looks narrow, your theme or page layout might be limiting the content width. Try using a full-width template or a wider container on that page. Calendly's inline embed is responsive, so it should adjust on mobile automatically. If the calendar doesn't appear, double-check that you pasted the entire code, including the script tag, and that no security plugin is blocking it. If you prefer building with Elementor, the process is the same, just with an Elementor widget. Open your page in Elementor, search for the HTML widget, drag it onto the canvas where you want the calendar to appear, and paste the same Calendly embed code. Click Update and preview the page to confirm it's working. This is exactly the same method, just using Elementor's HTML widget instead of WordPress's custom HTML block. That's it. You've embedded your Calendly event on WordPress, and the same approach works perfectly with Elementor. Now your visitors can book time with you without leaving your site, which improves conversions and keeps your scheduling organized.